If bless you is for when someone sneezes, then what do you say when someone coughs? Cover your mouth, you heathen. Get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away from me. Not today Rona. Robitussin. Gross. Lol. I am a teacher and my kinder class has started saying bless you for every cough I make. Wheezalb. Probably something nicer than when someone farts. Screw you. Get vaccinated. TSK. Go to hell. Get well soon. Shit, dude. Hope you're vaxxed. COVID. I form a seal over their mouth with my mouth and try to inhale the violent expulsion, thereby preserving their lung fauna as it adapts to its new environment. Cover your mouth. You are welcome. He got the COVID-19 Oh boy, virus time. Curse you.